So here's Talkie app, and does it have a widget? So here's the app, and yeah, so you can of course chat from the app, but some apps, there is a status app, for example, they have widgets on your home screen, so you can chat right from your home screen. So let's just so yeah, you can have there is a Talkie widget, so you can just tap add widget. Pretty cool, and then when you just open it up, it just opens up the chat. It doesn't do more than that, I guess. So yeah, that's what you have here. Um, so yeah, I don't know if there is a lock screen widget though. So if I tap my wallpaper and then I wanna search for Talkie, so seems it's here. No, it's they don't have that, seems. So there you have it.